Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have an exciting and different video for you in which I discuss 10 cryptocurrencies which may have potential upside, a few of them which I personally own. I will point these out as I go through the list. While editing the script for this video, I realize there are many crypto-related terms and phrases which many of us may not be familiar with, so I do my best to explain and simplify unfamiliar terms. Keep in mind while watching this video, I consider cryptocurrencies to be highly unstable and risky investments, but at times with great risk comes great return. However, as always, you should make your own decisions as you see fit. And as a reminder, I keep a very small percentage of my overall portfolio allocation in investments I consider speculative, such as cryptocurrencies. This stays in the small 5% I have shown in my model portfolio allocation in prior videos. Also, please remember this is not to be taken as financial advice, but rather educational. With that being said, let's dive right in. With the hype around cryptocurrencies in the last few years, you are probably thinking of starting your crypto investing. Beginners having difficulties finding the top cryptocurrency to invest in today, not to worry. Most investors have been in this situation, so I can understand how confusing it is when looking for new cryptocurrency investments. We will take you through the 10 best cryptocurrencies to buy today. By the time you are done watching this video, you should have a good idea of the top cryptocurrencies that have the most potential to grow in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 10, Avalanche. Avalanche is a smart contracts platform that has gained traction as a launchpad for various dApps ranging from dApps to NFTs. dApps, for those unfamiliar, are decentralized applications that exist and run on a blockchain. This term will be mentioned several times throughout this video. In terms of blockchain, I explain how it works in another video, which you should definitely check out. Avalanche surged to popularity in 2020 as a top Ethereum competitor and has gained significant traction in the market. This has to do with Avalanche's key metrics such as scalability and low costs. Avalanche is known for handling up to 4,500 transactions per second and at pretty low costs. Also, unlike some of its competitors that have suffered network lags, Avalanche is known for its network stability. These strengths give Avalanche a decent potential for upside that could grow in adoption and value going into the future. So far, Avalanche has shown positive responsiveness and price as adoption grows. Back in 2020, Avalanche hit an all-time low of $2.79. By November 2021, Avalanche had shot up to an all-time high of $146.22. Most Avalanche price predictions expect Avalanche to remain a top-performing altcoin for years to come, and at its current price of $21.97, it could have potential upside. Number 9, Cardano. Cardano is a large-cap cryptocurrency that also makes it to the list of top cryptocurrencies to potentially add to a speculative portion of your portfolio. For reference, the threshold for large-cap cryptocurrencies is 10 billion or higher, which is much lower than our typical threshold for large-cap index funds or stocks. Large-cap cryptocurrencies are generally thought to be safer investments because of large-cap nature. Cardano is one of the biggest Ethereum competitors in the market today. Cardano stands out from the competition for its security features. This is all thanks to its Ouroboros proof-of-stake algorithm that is peer-reviewed and proven to be secure, scalable, and decentralized. While Cardano remains a work in progress, one factor that makes it a hot cryptocurrency to potentially buy today is the recent introduction of smart contracts. Cardano smart contracts were introduced in October 2021, and since then, there has been a healthy growth in dApps within the Cardano system. Thanks to its scalability and low costs relative to Ethereum, many analysts expect Cardano to grow in adoption in 2022 and beyond. Cardano's token ADA is also expected to grow since it acts as a utility token within the Cardano ecosystem. While no one can accurately predict the future, most ADA Cardano price predictions expect it to be one of the top altcoins that could do well in the second half of 2022 and beyond. On to number 8. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was one of the hottest meme coins in 2021 after it rallied by over 48,000%. While it has since cooled down, it still holds a lot of potential as a top meme coin that could explode further in 2022 and beyond. Within the last few years, Shiba Inu thrived mainly on the hype around meme coins triggered by Dogecoin. However, it has since developed a character of its own. Value is on the rise. For example, last year, the team introduced Shiba Swap, a DEX or decentralized exchange for trading Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. For reference, a DEX or DEX is a peer-to-peer marketplace where users can trade cryptocurrencies in a non-custodial manner without the need for intermediary to facilitate the transfer and custody of the funds. This may sound risky, and apprehension is totally understandable when it comes to this. However, the biggest move that Shiba Inu and the team has made this year is to introduce the Shiba Inu metaverse. Given how much hype there is around the metaverse, there is no doubt that Shiba Inu could be among the top cryptocurrencies that do well in the future. Analysts are also pretty bullish on Shiba Inu, and many Shiba Inu price predictions expect Shiba to double in the near future. Shiba is one of the few coins that's actually still up from where it traded at a year ago. Number 7, Dogecoin. Dogecoin could potentially be one of the most undervalued altcoins out there. I currently hold Dogecoin and I'm holding onto it since May of 2021. It could potentially be undervalued because its community and levels of adoption have been going up. All of this while its price has not reacted much at all. It is one of the top meme coins that did not retest its all-time highs in the November 2021 cryptocurrency rally. However, there are some strong indicators that Dogecoin could emerge as one of the hottest meme coins to buy in 2022 and beyond. To understand why, you need only look back at why Dogecoin did so well in 2020 and early 2021. From 2020 to mid-2021, Dogecoin rallied up to 12,000%. This followed a series of tweets by Elon Musk that were aimed at pumping Doge. This year, Elon Musk has attempted to buy Twitter and would restore free speech norms to the platform, providing liberty on what he can say, including pumping Doge. Even before the Twitter deal was proposed, signals of such possibility were already there. At the time, Musk suggested that Twitter should incorporate Doge as a payment. If Musk follows through and includes Dogecoin as a payment method on Twitter, the hype it could generate would easily see Dogecoin emerge as one of the top performing cryptocurrencies of the near distant future. It is not surprising that the majority of Dogecoin price predictions are bullish. Number 6, Solana. Solana was the top cryptocurrency performer of 2021 and rallied by over 10,000%. While it started in 2022 bearish, Solana is one of the top altcoins that could perform well this year and beyond. Solana is the best cryptocurrency to buy and invest in today for its core functionality and growing adoption. To grasp how big of a deal Solana is, consider the fact that it is one of the most scalable platform blockchains in the market today. Solana can handle up to 50,000 transactions per second at transaction costs of under 1 cent. These metrics have seen adoption grow, and today Solana has one of the fastest growing ecosystems of DeFi and NFT projects. Since Solana is the native token of the Solana ecosystem, it then follows that as the adoption of the Solana blockchain grows, so does the intrinsic value of Solana tokens. Analysts are also pretty bullish on Solana in 2022 and beyond. Many Solana price predictions expect the value of Solana to go up by over 450% in the near to far out future. If these predictions are anything to go by, Solana is one of the most potential upside altcoins to consider today. Please remember, however, that all predictions are just that and can be wrong, of course. Number 5, Uniswap. The next crypto to consider buying is Uniswap. This is one I also happen to own after buying into it in 2021. It is down considerably from where I bought in. Primarily, Uniswap is home to a popular decentralized exchange that allows users to buy and sell digital currencies without requiring a centralized third party. This popularity has since resulted in Uniswap surpassing a market cap of $5.70 billion as of early 2022. With that said, Uniswap has since expanded its business model by creating an online marketplace in conjunction with the NFTs and metaverse. Not only will this immerse the crypto's trading experience, but by offering its marketplace via the Uniswap network, buyers and sellers will be able to transact in a decentralized manner. According to Uniswap price predictions, the coin could potentially reach $18 per token in the near to far out future. If this prediction came to fruition, the token now represents a discounted purchase price of over 60%. And if it just got back to the 2021 levels, it would even surpass this amount. Number 4, Binance Coin. Binance Coin is another common sense cryptocurrency to potentially buy and hold for the long term. That's because it is the cryptocurrency used for paying fees on the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume. Binance users are incentivized to use Binance because Binance offers a discount to anyone who uses the network to pay fees. Since Binance has a large ecosystem that includes the Binance Smart Chain, it then follows that Binance Coin is one of the cryptocurrencies with the highest utility in the market today. Besides its utility, BNB's tokenomics also make it a top cryptocurrency to invest in 2022 and beyond. For those unfamiliar with tokenomics, CoinDesk defines it as a catch-all for the elements that make a particular cryptocurrency valuable and interesting to investors. It's sort of like the economics for a given cryptocurrency. It includes everything from a token's supply and how it issues, or how it is issued, to things like what the utility it has. Every quarter, Binance burns through millions of BNB, and this is expected to go on for most of this decade. This token burn has played the biggest role in Binance Coin's rise from trading at pennies in 2017 to a high of nearly $670 in 2021. Due to the supply shock that this token burn causes, most BNB price predictions expect this cryptocurrency to trade at over $1,000 in 2022 and beyond. They also expect BNB to hit much higher prices in the years ahead. Number 3, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely one of the top choices for cryptos to invest in for newbies, providing you have the money, as it is around $22,000 per coin. The good news is you can buy a fractional Bitcoin for as little as 0.0000001 or 1 Satoshi, which is a nod to the famous founder Satoshi Nakamoto. I was personally lucky to get a fractional share of Bitcoin courtesy of Coinbase in compensation for an inadvertent account lock as a precaution from a false alert they put on their platform for being potentially hacked. A quick look at Bitcoin's price probably leaves you wondering, isn't it a little too expensive even after dropping so far in 2022? While Bitcoin's price may look nominally high, Bitcoin may potentially be one of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies today. To understand why, you just need to look at all of its tokenomics. Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins. Also, millions of Bitcoin have been lost over the years. Now that Bitcoin adoption is on the rise, including getting adopted as a currency by multiple countries, it is very likely that Bitcoin will only go up due to supply and demand dynamics. Besides, Bitcoin happens to be one of the safest cryptocurrencies today. That's because it is highly decentralized, meaning no single entity can ever influence Bitcoin. You can take it as a long-term investment, just like you would stock or real estate. During the 2022 COVID lockdown, Bitcoin dropped to a low of $5,165 March 13th and nearly hit 65,000 for a more than 10x in just 20 months. Multiple Bitcoin price predictions expect the leading crypto to trade anywhere between 70,000 and 80,000 in the near future, and potentially the far out future. In the long term, 2025 and beyond, analysts expect Bitcoin to trade at over $250,000 per coin. Given that it is currently trading below 40,000, Bitcoin is pretty much a no-brainer cryptocurrency to add to your speculative portion of your portfolio. Number 2, Ethereum. Another top cryptocurrency to invest and buy in the year 2022 is Ethereum. It is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. You can't miss this among the best cryptocurrencies to potentially buy. One thing that makes Ethereum rise to the top among the cryptocurrencies to buy right now is its strong ecosystem of dApps. Since it launched as the first dApps blockchain back in 2015, it has dominated the market. Today, most dApps, be it DeFi, NFTs, or otherwise, run on the Ethereum blockchain. As more of these cryptocurrencies come up, the value of Ethereum, utility token in the Ethereum ecosystem, will only go up. Besides, the Ethereum developer team has been working hard to deal with the scalability issues that have plagued this blockchain for years. For the last 2 years, Ethereum has been in the process of a transition to proof of stake, and it comes with several benefits to Ether, including making Ethereum deflationary. For its dominance and improving core metrics, analysts are bullish on Ethereum. Many Ethereum price predictions expect Ethereum coin to be valued anywhere between $4,500 and $5,500 in the near future. Given that the popular cryptocurrency is currently trading at around $1,350 per coin, it could potentially be a great option to consider, as Ethereum could double in value within a year. As such, now could be a great time to invest in the Ethereum cryptocurrency. And for the number 1 cryptocurrency, ApeCoin, currently considered by many crypto experts as the best crypto to buy and invest in, which is funny because I had never heard of it before researching for this video. If you've been following cryptocurrencies for most of 2022, you know that ApeCoin has been attracting a lot of hype this year. It is linked to the world-famous Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. Given the popularity of NFTs with pictures of apes, it makes sense that a coin like ApeCoin would have such appeal. When ApeCoin first hit the market, it rallied by thousands of % before a correction followed. However, there is still a lot going on with ApeCoin that makes it one of the best altcoins to potentially buy. One of the big developments around ApeCoin is the launch of the Otherside Metaverse. The big deal about the Otherside Metaverse is that lands are being sold in ape tokens. This means there is intrinsic value to ApeCoin, and as adoption of the metaverse grows, so will the value of ApeCoin. Besides, for its association with the Bored Ape NFTs, ApeCoin has emerged as the biggest metaverse cryptocurrency today. This means ApeCoin has the leverage to dominate the fast-growing Web 3.0, primarily NFT gaming. Many ApeCoin price predictions expect that Ape could double in the year 2022 and beyond. This makes it one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy now, potentially. And with all of that out of the way, please let me know your opinions on these coins down in the comments, and please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel where I discuss all things personal finance related, as the more you know, the more you grow. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.